Welcome to TIPS Training and Certification Online Training Program. Now we will learn about the statistical process control in Six Sigma Green Belt Training Program. What is statistical process control? Statistical process control is an element of quality assurance, a tool for continuous improvement. Processes are not stable, they are subject to variation. Hence, needs to be continuously followed up, controlled to ensure their stability. SPC is a scientific database technique used to ensure this stability. Basic idea about the SPC. It is a manufacturing process which determines whether a product is standard or of substandard. Processes varies with the period of time. Processes have natural tendency to become disorganized and deteriorated over a period of time. Hence, SPC helps to control and manage these realities. Some misconceptions about the SPC. Because the methods are statistical, they can be applied only where there is a long period of record is available. The methods are highly mathematical. The methods are so complicated that they can't be operated by ordinary production and inspection employees. The techniques are good to use only when you are conscious that you are in trouble. The effective use of SPC may be obtained by applying them only in one department. Stages in implementation of the statistical process control. These are the stepwise implementation steps. First, give the information and build up the awareness amongst the management. Involve the management and train the responsible persons amongst the management. Now, inform and train the personnel. Identify and begin with crucial and prior processes where there is a defect occurring in the history. Analyze the product. Analyze the process. Analyze the process of measurement. Analyze the information system and process controls. Correct the non-conformities by taking the actions over non-conformities, root causes through analysis. Experiment and validate the process using control chart. Bring a process under control. Evaluate the capability of process. Implement a process of continuous improvement. Analyzing the product. First, list the genuine characteristics that are A-level characteristics, or these are the characteristics which really contribute to the functional aspects. Look for relationship between the genuine characteristics and the substitute, that is secondary level characteristics. Ensure that all the specifications exist. Ensure that each specification has an operational definition. List the substitutional characteristics. Tool for statistical process control. A control chart, which is a tool for statistical control, is a trend chart used to detect the special causes of variation in the process. There are two types of control charts which are used for statistical process control. One, variable control chart, and second, attribute control chart. Under variable control chart, X bar R chart is used. Under attribute control chart, NP chart, P chart, C chart and U charts are used. This is an example of control chart. Here all the points lies within the control limits means this process is statistically controlled. Establishing the control chart. First, establish the environment suitable for the actions. Define the process. Define the control conditions. Determine the characteristics to be managed. Define the measurement system and create a controlled environment. Statistical process control, which quantifies the variation due to intrinsic causes. It examines whether the variation is within specification limits. If not, reduce the intrinsic variation. Control the process within a acceptable intrinsic variation. Maintain the control conditions and take the actions on assignable variations. Process capability. It is a measure for statistical process control. SPC helps to estimate the process capability and judge if the process is under control or not. Thank you.